Palakpak naman dyan! Pampagana naman! Oh. Ala, walang palakpak. Sa bagay, nagpipicture sila.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ganda! Very good! Gagaling talaga ng mga taga-ubes. Wow! Galing-galing mga bata, oh.
Wala nagtuturo sa kanila? Oh.
Kurang pinaglalaro yung mga mata. Iba-iba patamuti.
Opo, talagang napakatalentado ng mga taga-ubes. Mag-learners man o teachers, syempre hindi sila magiging magaling. Kung ang mga teachers ay hindi magaling, magagaling ang mga teachers ng ubes. O diba? 2 weeks lang yan, mama. Lalo pa siguro kung 2 months na Sir Rolly. Sige, oh. Buti na lang hindi contest kung hindi lahat panalo. Magiging contest sa sunod. Mas magaling pa. Yun, no? Galing talaga ng mga bata, oh.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, a bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime, jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time, it's the right time to rock the time. Snowing and blowing, our horses are flying. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells are chiming, jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in jingle bell square. In the frosty air.
Makamana, hindi makapag-
It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is the swell time. Go cotton in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. And then sing a jingle and a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Oh, hindi po muna aalis ha. Mamaya.
Meron pa.
Ay!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Okay!